then we'll talk about Marvtown Records.
That's why I turn that shit off, man.
Everything campaign, maintain, you dig? From state capital to state capital, from the pineapple to the big apple, you dig? Yeah, yeah, just like that, dripping sauce on your bitch, man. Big Mac, I'm a fucking big old Mac, you dig?
I hit the big lip blast on lip if you watching. That's your live for you.
Papa, you better tell this nigga.
Hey, Pop is out. Oh. You know what's crazy? I have
Come on, baby.
I have mirrored my social bar to my battery life of my camera.
Okay.
Like as soon as the camera battery died, like nigga, it's time to go home. I gotta sleep. Nigga, I gotta charge. Like nigga, that is an inanimate object. Oh, I gotta stop. I guess I don't have to, but out of consideration for the young youth, I should probably clean up my language.
Oh, they
well,
gonna cuss anyway.
You heard it here
Probably
first.
do more drugs today.
You heard it here first.
Badass little baby kids and shit. They shouldn't be watching nothing talking about niggas going to the Tarvis anyway.
Anyway,
This rated
we
M.
meet again. We meet again. Who's ready for the Boulder? Oh, drones. I love drones. Hello, drone. Is it you I'm looking for? I guess. Oh, this is lit. The Boulder. You got me? I'm in the Boulder. You got it. Look at that. So that's a giant ass rock, and it is in between a walkway that you can go down, so you'll be under that giant ass rock.
That's why I turn that shit off.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.